Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and we're on our series talking about what books you need to read in your business. So we've already done 3 parts. Go back and watch those. Part 1, if you struggle with mindset. Part 2, if you struggle with success habits. Part 3, if you struggle with the fear of failure. Today, part 4 is about consistency. You know that consistent action is really the cornerstone of your success, right? But a lot of us don't do it. One of the very first books that I read when I started my business when I was 23 was The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. And in this book, he really breaks down how important these little seemingly insignificant parts of our days are that are either going to move you forward towards your bigger picture goal or set you back. So pick up The Compound Effect. I personally love the audio version of this book. He's very energetic when he reads it. So just a tip, the audio version is great. And my fave quote from the book is, "It's not the big things that add up in the end. It's the hundreds, thousands, or millions of little things that separate the ordinary from extraordinary." All right, tomorrow, part 5, we're talking about what books you need to read if you struggle with organization and goal setting. So I'll see you there. If you haven't yet signed up for my free Pinterest masterclass, go to freepinterestclass.com. I'll teach you how to use Pinterest to get more leads and sales into your business, and I'll see you tomorrow.